Hey guys, I just got this new 7x7 and I wanted to show you guys something cool with it because I found out a pretty cool thing that you can do with this cube. And it's, if you hold the yellow side facing to you, like this. Oh. 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 Ooh. Yeah, that's not good. I might have just wasted $56. I don't even know what am I gonna do? This is just a catastrophe. This guy just witnessed it. What do you have to say? Was it bad? Dude, look at this. Completely destructed. Oh no. Blue, what do you have to say about this?